The swing stop just looks back 15 candles from your entry and makes that the stop loss. It's not a trail stop. It doesn't change throughout the trade. It just takes that first from your entry, that previous little swing that was right before your entry. That's why you can't use it for one click, because you won't have created that swing yet. So it has to be not a one click. It has to be some movement down in your direction, a dynamic, stochastic, because when you use one of those types of entries, it leaves a swing high or a swing low in its wake, and it uses that as the stop. Say you entered here on the 1 minute trend. Boom, so there's your dynamic entry. It goes back 15 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, somewhere in here. And it takes the highest point in there. So that's this peak, and that's your stop. So after this entry, this would be the stop. So that's what the swing stop is. Not to use it, do not use it with one click entry. Any of these other entries fine. Even the breakout's fine. If you used it with the breakout entry, swing stop works, because then this would be your entry below this breakout here, and your swing would go back 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in that last 15, this was the highest point. That's the stop loss.